Welcome to some. In this lesson, we'll learn some for positive sentences. We use some in positive sentences when talking about more than one noun or uncountable nouns. We also use some when we offer things or ask for things. We always use some in positive sentences. I'd like some chicken. There's some cheese. We have some books. When we offer or ask for things, we also use some if it's not just one. Would you like some water? Can I have some cheese, please? I got some nice birthday presents yesterday. There are some biscuits in the cupboard. I bought some books last week. Can I have some water, please? Would you like some food? In this lesson, we learned how to use some. Repeat after me. I bought some books last week. There are some biscuits in the cupboard. Can I have some water, please? Would you like some food? Welcome to any. In this lesson, we'll learn to use any in questions and negatives. We use any in questions when it's not just one. Is there any chicken? Do you have any money? Are there any people? Any. Do you have any money? Does she have any pets? We also use any in negatives. There isn't any bread. We don't have any friends. There aren't any books. There aren't any pictures on the wall. I don't have any homework. In this lesson, we have learnt how to use any. We use any in questions and negatives. Do you have any money? Does she have any pets? There aren't any pictures on the wall. I don't have any homework. Welcome to some and any. In this lesson, we'll practice using some and any. Remember, we use some in positive sentences. We use any in questions and negative sentences. I'd like some money. Do you have any money? I don't have any money. I bought some books. Do you have any books? I didn't buy any books. I ate some cheese. Did you eat any cheese? I didn't eat any cheese. I saw some friends yesterday. Would you like any water? I don't want to buy any clothes today. In this lesson, we've learned the difference between some and any. We use some in positive sentences. We use any in questions and negative sentences. I'd like some water, please. Do you have any money? There isn't any milk.